Hi, welcome everybody. My name is Miss Holly, and today I am so excited to share the long vowel sound A with you. And as we can see, it's going to have A and I together. Let's explore these words. Rain, rain. See the A and I together, holding hands. Rain. No pictures today. We're going to rely on our reading skill. Ain. Pain. And what's cool is all these words are going to have the A sound in them. So we can go pain. Ooh, look at this. We have a special brain. All right, we're using our brain, aren't we? Bait. Good job. Let's do our next one. Sail. You got it. Mail. All right. Aha, another tricky one. Let's see if you can say it before I do. Trail. Good job. Claim. All right, ready for our next one. Chain. Good job. Next one. Gain. All right, you guys have got this. Mail. Good job. Wait. Oh. All right. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and share it. And I will be doing more long vowel sounds along with short vowel sound word families. Stay tuned. Have a great day.